at the ice cream truck with Courtney and Erika, and they're gonna get some ice cream. Hello, Aspen. Hello. What can I get for the girls? Oh, can I have a donut? Of course you can. Okay, let me get you the donut and a tray. And there you go. You okay, Courtney? Yeah, I'm fine. Yum. You okay, Courtney, again? Yeah. Come on, Erika. Hi. Hi. Can I have a pretzel? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Yummy. Mommy? Yes, Erika? Can I have more? You need to ask Aspen. Aspen, yes, little girl? Yes, Erika? Can I have more? I'm sorry. You're only supposed to have one for today. What? But I want more! Erika, calm down. Yeah, Erika, calm down. Don't talk to me that way! Don't hit your sister, Erika. No, calm down or we're going home. Okay. Sorry, Courtney. It's okay. Now be a good girl. Okay. Girls, bye. Bye.